Peace, fam. Hi, I'm Uju. I'm here in the lab, late night in the lab with my homie,
What's up?
Adam. Yes, this king right here. And we did NLP technique. We did a belief change technique where Adam chose a limiting belief that he did not want to have, and we mapped it across to other beliefs, and was able to replace it with a belief that he does want to have, which is the opposite of the limiting belief. So do you want to share?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's going to share his experience, and then I'll offer some clarity if need be.
So I basically see myself as not deserving of love or just being worthy of pretty much just anything, like not a good life. But Uju got me together.
So let me.
I see myself. I see myself for the first time in a long time, and I'm still like shaky a little bit, cause yeah, it was sorry, I'm nervous a little bit.
Don't be sorry at all. Just freely express how
I see myself now and know that even saying it out loud sounds like blasphemy, because you're right, you know.
It doesn't even apply anymore.
No, not at all.
So this is really powerful, and thank you for allowing us to do this and for being present. I know, right?
Yeah.
So we've really been deep diving all evening. Actually, it's really been beautiful. So thank you for that. And the interesting thing is, when I asked Adam what belief did he have that he did not want to have, the first thing that came to mind was, I wrote it down too. Let me get my little paper. The first thing that came to mind was, I wish I had more. I'm not enough. I'm not worthy enough of anything good. I'm not worthy of a good life. And so we did the mapping where we mapped submodalities across from that belief to what's actually true, and moved on to a belief that you want to have, right? That you feel convicted about. We mapped those submodalities as well. And the belief that he wanted to have is that, get my paper, because I wrote it down. The belief that he wanted to have was, I believe I am enough. I am worthy. I am everything I need. I'm confident, right? And the interesting thing is, when we tested it, so I asked him, okay, Adam, how do you feel now? And his answer was, I need to be easier on myself. I deserve to be loved wholeheartedly. And I asked him, well, what do you deserve? And he said, I deserve to be successful. I deserve to be comfortable. And I deserve to feel good and feel joyful. And then I asked him, okay, well, how do you feel about the limiting belief that you had before? When you hear the belief that I am not enough, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve it. So you see his response, he's like, what?
Yeah, right.
What does that even mean? So he was just like, it doesn't even seem applicable.
Yes.
And that's the beauty of this exercise. So what we did was we subconsciously uprooted the limiting belief and replaced it.
Here, by the way, it's powerful.
It's very powerful. Within a couple minutes, what was that, like 20 minutes or so?
Yeah.
And now we've planted a new belief on a subconscious level. And the beauty of the subconscious is that now will influence the way he views life, the way he relates with life, the way he views himself, the decisions that you'll make now. Correct.
Yes.
You know, so all of so when we think about the subconscious, that's before the conscious, that's before, right? So that is the precursor for any idea that we might have, any conscious decision that we have, even any conscious thoughts that we have. And so we change the foundation.
Yes, wow.
So that it can be more conducive and more aligned with the life and the reality that he wants for himself. So now he can make decisions that are more aligned with that reality. You can feel feelings and think thoughts that are more aligned with that reality. So that's the beauty of this work.
Yeah, this is, I feel so much hopeful. I feel free from just the negativity, the bad. I won't say bad, because we talked about that earlier, but
let's say misaligned.
Yes, misaligned. I feel free. I feel fearless. Honestly, can't wait to see where this journey takes me. Yeah,
Great way to start the year.
I'm in control of my life.
Period.
Yes.
Period. Let's go. And I honestly just want to say, especially on the video, I love this for you.
Thank you.
Like,
I love this for me.
Period.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
like, let's go.
Big dog, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Let's go. And you know,
Yeah.
even the conversation, nature of the conversation when we first started this appointment,
Yeah.
compared to now.
Yeah.
Remember we talked about this, right?
Yes. And I was so, I'm not even gonna lie, like, even at work, I was not like nervous, but like, because I knew, you know, we was gonna do this, but yeah, y'all, some of y'all that do know me know that, like, I wear my heart on my sleeve. I can cry just like that, but and there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I was a little nervous for this, but I feel amazing. I feel amazing.
I love it for you, y'all. And let me just share like how I love this for you, because from my perspective, right?
Yeah.
Even just hearing your language,
Yeah.
the way you were so self-critical before.
Yeah.
So like even in how you feel, like just now when you said I could cry and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Before you would be like, oh, that sucks, right? That's
Yeah.
terrible. I shouldn't
Yeah.
be doing that.
Yeah.
Like even just the self-affirmation.
Yes.
You can kind of just see the belief in the validating belief in I am enough. I'm good enough. I'm righteous just as I am. You can
Yes.
see that expressing even
Thank
in
you.
the language that you're choosing
Thank
to
you.
use right now. You
Yes,
feel what I'm
because
saying?
there's power in words.
Yes.
Yes.
And the intention behind the words. Even.
Yes.
So yes, thank you for watching. Again, I'm just grateful to do this work. You feel me? Like
dude,
this is really
sleep
amazing.
so good tonight. You have
This is
no
really
idea.
amazing. This is such a wonderful way
Like
to start the
sometimes
year.
it would keep me up at night, tossing and turning. Couldn't even get a good night's sleep because I was just constantly just worrying and just self-loathing. And
Just
not
at
tonight.
peace. Not tonight.
Not
Hey,
tonight.
We get
Yeah.
sleep tonight.
Yes.
But yes, thank you. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you too.
Thanks for
Thank
watching,
you.
fam. Peace.